Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Gmail app. You will click on settings, then in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can search about the application of Gmail and you will click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.